guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the Celestial Storm from Dominique Cosmetics creating this look. I'm so excited. I absolutely love how this look turned out. I am going to say that this lash, I don't know why, if it looks weird on camera, I don't know why. Honestly, I won't know until I look over the footage, but I was trying to take some photos and it looked like there's glue stuck on there, but there's not. I took it off, I promise. So if it looks a little wonky, that's what it is. That's what I think it is, but I just don't know what it is. Anyway, I am so excited. I will say that I wanted to do something super creative, and I started doing it. Maybe I will throw in a little clip right here of me creating, I don't even know what, but I was just like jumping right in, and I was like, ugh, I don't like this. So I wiped it off, and then I created this, and I love it so much more. So anyway, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. I feel like you can wear this for Halloween, or there's a whole Euphoria makeup inspired look. I refuse to watch Euphoria because that first episode just gave me too much anxiety, and I don't get anxiety, and it just kind of put me in a really bad mood, bad spot, and I'm not about that. I'm about positivity, and I was like, I can't handle this. So I don't know, you tell me if this is Euphoria inspired. There we go. Let me know down in the comments, and I will definitely create more looks with this palette. I will do something that might be for every day, since I know not everybody is comfortable wearing a look like this, but I just wanted to do something totally different. That's why I'm so excited about this palette and the whole color scheme. I think Kristen did amazing, and so far the mattes and the shimmers that I use were amazing. I am so excited, and yeah, that is about it, you guys. Again, I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.
Fire burns as the feeling starts. I build a wall around my heart, but you're breaking it down. It falls to the ground, 'cause I had lost what you just found. The noise all around, I'm drowning it out, like we're the only ones in the crowd. 'Cause you save me now, save me now, save me now, save me now, save me the feeling starts. I put a wall around my heart, but you're breaking